Today's video is about how to achieve economic stability in Pakistan. Pakistan is a South Asian nation, has a prolonged grappled with economic instability. However, achieving economic stability is crucial for its sustained growth and development. Here's a roadmap to help Pakistan to attain economical stability. Number one, financial discipline. Implement prudent financial policy to prioritize revenue generation and reduce government expenditures. Balance the budget by controlling public spending and increasing tax collection. Implement a medium-term financial framework to ensure long-term financial stability. Number two, structural reforms. Enhance the ease of doing business to attract foreign investment and promote entrepreneurship. Reduce red tape and streamline regulations to create and conducive business environment. Invest in infrastructure, particularly in energy, transport, and healthcare, to boost productivity. Number three, monetary financial stability. Target inflation control through effective monetary policy. Ensure exchange rate stability to prevent currency inflections and protect business. Margin foreign exchange reserves prudent to support the currency value. Export-oriented growth. Promote diversified exports to reduce reliance on few commodities. Enhance competitiveness by investing in research and development, technology adoption, and skill development. Explore new markets and strengthen trade relationship with potential partners. Human capital development. Invest in education and healthcare to improve the skills and health of the workforce. Provide training and upskilling programs to cater the industry needs. Promote gender equality and inclusive to unlock the full potential of the labor. Governance and accountability. Strengthen institutions and promote transparency to reduce corruption and improve investment climate. Ensure accountability at all the levels of government and private sector. Enhance the rule of law to protect proprietary rights, foster a business environment. Achieving economic stability in Pakistan requires a concrete effort from the government, businesses, and citizens. By implementing these measures, Pakistan can create stable economical foundation that will attract investment, foster growth, and improve the lives of people.